Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial on managing scheduled reports in Nagios XI. Two things you should know. First, scheduled reports are a feature of the Enterprise Edition of Nagios XI, and second, you need to be an administrator on the system to access report management. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you click on scheduled reports is a list of the currently scheduled reports. The first list you see is all reports, but you can filter by user. To edit a report, simply click on it. You can copy a report to make it accessible to other users. The copied report will automatically add the user's email address to the recipient list. If you'd like to add recipients to the list, just click to edit and add them. Finally, you can delete one or multiple reports as needed. And that's the scoop on managing scheduled reports in Nagios XI. Questions, comments? Let us know in the section below.